In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use trial keys in Minecraft's newest update. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So there are actually two different trial keys inside of Minecraft's newest update. The first one is the trial key, and the second one is the ominous trial key. Now in order to get normal trial keys, you can simply locate a trial chamber, and once you've found it, you can start fighting mobs that spawn from these spawners. Once you've defeated all enemies, a trial key may appear on top like this, and you can simply go up to it and collect it. From there, we can look for these vaults which look like this, and if we right click on them, as you can see, loot starts appearing at the top. Now in order to get these second keys, which are called the ominous trial keys, you must actually either find an ominous bottle, or you must have the bad omen effect from raids. Once we have a bad omen effect, we can do the same thing as last time. We find the trial chamber, we start fighting the mobs, and once we defeat all the enemies, we might be able to find an ominous key on top. However, with these ominous keys, you do have to find different vaults, and you can tell the difference by the heads at the front. As you can see, this has three kind of faces here. However, if we go to a normal vault, it just has one. And this is going to give us the best loot. So if we right click on these, as you can see, the loot starts appearing out the top, and it is usually a lot better than the other ones. So that's how you can use trial keys in Minecraft. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.